Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, all you have to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down at the same time for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted, which is basically a soft reset operation. So yeah. Okay, so it turns off, and then you have to turn it back on yourself by holding down power key. Can you please turn it on? Wow, that was some long soft reset, I tell you. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.